Right, we're here to restore this marble floor. So grab it, it says, and we'll see the result when it's finished. Okay. Marble floor, it restores.